Hola amigos, today we are going to learn some greetings in Spanish. Greetings are called saludos in Spanish. Let's start. Hi or hello. Hola. Hello everyone. Hola a todos. Good morning. Buenos días. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Good evening or good night. Buenas noches. Welcome. Bienvenidos. Let's move to some farewells. There are some farewells in Spanish. Farewells are called despedidas in Spanish. Bye or goodbye. Adios. Bye informal. Ciao. See you later. Hasta luego. See you soon. Hasta pronto. See you next time. Hasta la vista. See you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. See you. Nos vemos. There are two different ways to say have a good day. The first one is que tengas un buen día and the second one is que te vaya bien. Take care informal, cuídate, and take care formal, cuídese. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe and follow Fluent Fast Academy for more Spanish lessons. Thanks for watching.